How to play ranked in Roblox Rivals. So, Roblox Rivals is a pretty fun game that has been, taking the Roblox servers by storm. Now, to play something like this for yourself with the, capability of playing ranked requires a little age verification in it. Okay, so if your age is not verified, you will not be able to play Roblox Rivals as you go on. So, of course, you're going to come over to the Rivals section. And once you come over to the Rivals section, basically, to work along with it, you're going to want to make sure that your account age is above 18. Because if it's not above 18, you will not be able to play ranked for yourself. And that is the case for many games and their competitive modes. So just make sure that your rank is high enough. And if your rank is high enough, you should be good to go from there on out. You shouldn't have any issue. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. Just keep your account age verified and you're good to go. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.